Citizens Coalition for Change MP for Sunningdale constituency, Honorable Maureen Kademaunga, has been charged with attempted murder. And Comrade Gift Ustalo Siziba says, in a said 10 of events, a clear case of persecution, Honorable Maureen Kademaunga has been charged with attempted murder. She is being persecuted for her political standpoint. So this is the report. And in the morning, we had received this report, which Comrade Ustalos was actually reporting that Honorable Maureen Kademaunga had been summoned to the Harare Law and Order section of the police, and she was summoned to answer unclear and spurious allegations. And the result is that she has been arrested, and as it stands right now, she is in police custody. So these are the developments in the political spectrum in the nation of Zimbabwe. And let us go through the comments here and say, what are the circumstances behind her being charged with attempted murder? This is insane, honestly. Mnangagwa is a coward. This is Citizen Dewa. Okay, this is all meant to put the opposition in a corner where they will be crying for mercy and tolerance. This will effectively divert and distract them from the issues of rigged and stolen elections. The opposition will be forced to trade their position for their freedom. Yes, I believe so, because what is going to happen is, just imagine if you have the MPs you have, if they are put behind bars, the councillors you have, if they are put behind bars, the same way they did to Job Sikala. Your key people will be put behind bars. Everyone will be locked in, the same way they did to Job Sikala. And this will be done across Zimbabwe in different towns, different cities, which means these people will be in prison from different areas and different corners. What it means is that the party itself is going to be in a very difficult position to defend itself politically or otherwise. So, in my view, this is something, and I believe that Advocate Nelson Chamisa should take note and swiftly resolve this impasse, because comrades cannot continue to be persecuted, cannot continue to be arrested and be jailed on frivolous charges. We have seen the Chirumanzo team, Team Chirumanzo, it has been denied bail. Also in Gweru, I think they were in Gweru seeking bail. This is the case of Team Chirumanzo. And Comrade Ostalo says, in Gweru, our five Chirumanzo, including Patrick Cheza, have been unjustly denied bail under controversial circumstances. We strongly condemn the ongoing illegal arrests, harassment, torture, and abductions targeting our members. We demand justice and call for the immediate release. This is what he had to say, and this is the Gweru team. So you understand that this is happening slowly but surely. It's actually happening, and this calls for the need to act as a political organization. They have to resolve this issue. They have to deal with this. This is the reason why we are saying the Zimbabwean court fraud, the election fraud was supposed to go to court. That is the reason why, personally, I opted for this matter to go to court. That was going to actually stop ZANU-PF from regrouping quickly. And right now, they are regrouping, and the MPs are known, the ministers are now known, the VPs are now known. They are now regrouping. So the best way was to just take this matter to court, then expose everything from the court of law and deal with the matter. So it is what it is in Zimbabwe. We'll continue to look forward and see what is going to happen next. Citizens Coalition for Change, several people are being hunted down and being threatened with arrests. We are going to watch and see what will happen next.